you for? Baba, look at travel.
Hey guys, let's check for eggs. The days are getting longer and longer now, and that means there's more light every day. So guess what?
What?
Soon our chickens are going to start laying.
I can't wait until it's very sunny and all the flowers bloom and stuff like that.
You can't wait until all the flowers bloom in the spring.
That's a nap. Let me get it. Be very careful, don't drop it. Dad, he found one egg. No, I won't kill it.
What kind of egg is that?
Silky egg. Silky egg.
How do you know it's a silky
I
egg?
can see a real feather on that. Because I see silky all the time right here.
Oh, how else do you know it's a silky egg?
I don't know. Is this the color?
It's so small also.
Oh. Dad, let's go, huh?
Let's go put it in the house, okay? Brownie's out. He's like a bull when he gets out of the fence. Because he just loves being out. He runs like crazy. Brownie, get in there, bud.
In my pocket.
Everyone in, everyone in, everyone in. All right, got him in. Oh man, you're fast, Brownie. For some of you who might not know what a silky is, this is a silky. It's a really beautiful little chicken breed. They're kind of an ornamental chicken. They're funny. Some of them have extra toes. These have extra toes. So you can see right there. This silky could be the one who laid that egg, guys. And she is a pretty little bird, and they're known as silkies because their feathers are almost like fur instead of feathers, and you can see they're so soft and silky. The other thing that silkies are known for, along with just being really small, kind of calm, gentle birds, is they're great setters, or they're known for being great setters, and they sit on eggs really well. I'll let you go get back to your business.
Whoa.
Look at Brownie's hoof marks. He's like a race car. He just runs and just leaves these hoof marks everywhere he goes. Come on, guys, let's go take that egg to the house.
Eat it.
You want to eat it this morning?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, are you done with chores?
Not yet.
So finish chores, I'll make it for you for breakfast, okay?
You're looking at almonds. My bud don't like eggs, so I eat his eggs.
You get to eat it all by yourself, huh?
All of it? I do too.
Good job. Come on, take Kitty out.
Alright, bud, here you go. There's your hooves. Sit right here. Sit down.
Look at all his neck feathers.
Joyful just brought in an egg, and then Grace also brought in an egg. Another silky egg, and then who's that from?
Americana.
An Americana.
And it's got little speckles on it.
Just a little green egg with speckles.
It's so special.
Where was this one, Grace? Where was this egg, girl?
It's a goat stall.
In the
Oh, in the goat stall.
So it's the one that's free ranges. It's
Oh,
not
cool.
the one in the coop. Nice.
Awesome.
I'm gonna boil that.
I don't have any boiled ones. I just have fried. Do you want a fried egg?
Yeah.
Hey, what you got? Is that your egg?
I'm a big tomato.
And we found 2 more, so there's enough. How does that egg taste?
Good. What's this?
It's so nice and orange. Look at how beautiful it is. Orange like the sun, just the way it's supposed to be.
Oh.
You want to try it?
Pinky said
Okay, it's the next day, and Grace and I are coming down to check on these chickens and look for eggs. Yesterday, Grace caught a rooster, put him down here, and there he is. Why did you put the rooster in there?
For fun.
For fun? What were you thinking though?
Hatching chicken.
Hatching chickens? There's not a rooster inside.
Yes, there is. He's a rooster.
Is he?
I think. Look at him.
There was not a mature rooster inside this fence, and she wanted to make sure all the eggs from in here were fertilized. We have 2 roosters, and we've had trouble keeping our chickens inside their fences. So there's this little flock in here, and then there's one that's totally free range. What did you have to do to him?
Clip his wings.
She clipped his wings before she put him in there so he'd stay in. So far, so good. He's inside. So in, gosh, how long? How long does it take, Grace, until you know all the eggs are fertile? A few days, she said. Does someone have a better answer than a few days? I don't know, actually. I know in a couple weeks that they'll all be fertile. No eggs in there. We're gonna check in this goat stall. We're checking all the places that any chicken has laid in. Nope. We got the final puppy out the door on Saturday, and it's a little sad not having them around, honestly. They were a really bright addition to our little homestead for the weeks that we had them here. All right, where are we checking for eggs? Everywhere?
Yeah.
None in there. No eggs in there. Now we're walking up to the back of the pasture here where some of the chickens have been hanging out. Have you seen them up here? They're up here this morning.
Yeah, they're up here all the time.
Just on the off chance that one of these hens has an exposed nest or a nest in the brush here in the edge of the woods.
Or just decided to lay an egg.
I have the fence plugged back in. I guess more than anything, this is an excuse to wander around outside. Grace still has some school to finish up, and I've got some jobs to do. Out here, crescent moon, not setting, but I've been out here cleaning up this pile of fence posts that are too short and also cutting off some fence. All right, I'm done. My battery's dying. I don't think I've ever gotten this much wood in a wheelbarrow before, but I'm out of light and out of battery.
I have no idea what Arthur's video is about. I don't know what Art's video is about, but I wanted to show you something really, really wonderful. Boo! 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 I love you. Boo! You're so sweet. You're so big and so sweet. He's too amazing.
Are you watching the screen? That's so silly. Give me a kiss. So you're spiky. No kissy for you.
Where's mommy? Where's...
Thank y'all for watching. It's been another great day on the homestead. Goodbye.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me